Hello, let's share with you the operation process for I2C P14 an AND programmer. The tutorial is divided into 4 parts. Firstly, how to install I2C platform. Second, how to operate purple screen and matters of attention. Third, BG70. Fourth, BG110. Let's show you all operations one by one. First, how to install I2C platform. Please open the website www.qtools.cn with the browser. Download I2C mobile phone maintenance assistant. Then install it directly. My computer has already installed it, so we click cancel and exit it. Let's demonstrate how to use I2C platform. Open I2C tool which we download it work mobile phone maintenance assistant. There are 2 sockets here, BG70 and BG110. Second, how to enter purple screen mode and matters of attention. Purple screen supports the models up to iPhone X. Firstly, backup underlying data before entering purple screen mode. How to backup data. Connected the phone to I2C P14 Pro via engineering cable. Connected to the computer. You see there is such a reminder. Now we click Query Disk Information. It supports all models up to iPhone 12. Models below iPhone 12 needn't backup, and expansion doesn't require backup. Click Save. The direct backup is successful. Then click Read iOS info. It is similar as iTunes. All informations can be checked here. Now directly put the phone to DFU mode. This is the whole process for entering DFU mode. Second, we can enter the 1-key purple screen mode when the phone enters the DFU mode. Now it's entering DFU mode. Then click P14 Pro. Here is a 1-key purple screen, click it. The screen of mobile phone displays purple when it enters purple screen state. The computer needs to be connected to the internet when it entering purple screen mode. If the computer is not connected to the internet, the phone could not enter to purple screen mode, because some purple screen files needs to be downloaded through the server. We can start some operations when it is entering purple screen mode. For example, let's unbind Wi-Fi. OK, Wi-Fi has been unbound. We can write underlying data here. We also can query and modify the country code. We can write the country code alone. We also can query the disk information. We can backup bottom data. We have already backed up this underlying data, so it needn't to back it up again. We also can query regional factory code, such as query the true tone code, distance sensor and flood code, etc. This information can be backed up to the server. Then we can write this data via I2C ISIX as programmer. It can be restored via earpiece cable and repair true tone as well. Backup is successful. Purple screen operation is very simple. Please fill and choose the information which do you need. How to exit purple screen mode. Click Exit purple screen. Then switch to Read iOS info. You can exit it normally. All of above information is for entering and existing purple screen mode. Third, BG70. We fix the disk socket BG70 into P14 Pro Nand programmer. BG70 can be identified directly. Here we fix a BG70 hard drive. BG70 supports for iPhone 6s to 7P included iPad series. The main function is to unbind Wi-Fi and backup write underlying data. The menu on the left side, such as model no of iPhone, iPad and Mac etc. Format repair is format restore for all information of disk. It's only for the disk which be destroyed and cannot be used we can try to format fix. What should we pay attention to when formatting and repairing? After formatting, we must flash it. Finishes writing underlying data. It can be used normally. How to write underlying data? We choose iPhone 6s for demonstration. Let's unbind Wi-Fi. This has already been unbound and it needn't to unbind it again. What is the function on the right menu? It's modify the underlying data. For example, if we modify the country code means write only the area code. We also can modify the color code here. We can also backup the underlying data. Here is rewrite the backup underlying data. It's the information currently read by default. Write is complete. It can also clear the bottom layer. You can select all or select first 4 or the first 9 items. Let's take a look at query the original factory code. If the Wi-Fi Bluetooth code is lost, we should replace with a new hard drive and then flash it on the phone. Then use P14 Pro programmer to check the code. You can find the original Wi-Fi Bluetooth code. The most original Wi-Fi Bluetooth code has been queried here. Let's copy the Wi-Fi Bluetooth code and then we can make changes. Please check carefully, don't copy and paste wrongly. The operation of Berbagai 70 is relatively simple. It supports for 6S to 7 Plus and iPad series. The main function is to unbind Wi-Fi and backup write underlying data. How to expand capacity? If it's iPhone 6s 64G, it needs to be expanded to 128G. First of all, we can save the underlying data without dismantling. Then we put a new 128G hard drive. Write directly the underlying data which backed up. This is the entire operation process of Berbagai 70. Write directly the backup underlying data. After the underlying data of backup is written, it is unbound Wi-Fi by default. Then flash the mobile phone. Let's demonstrate the operation of BGA110. Fix BGA110 socket in the P14 Pro programmer. Pay attention to this screen, such as model no, capacity and electric current of this Nand. BGA70 and BGA110 are very similar in operation. All the hard disk information is displayed here. Click querying hard disk information. All information is displayed. BGA110 support for 8 to 12 Pro Max. Let's show you the function of left menu. The left menu, such as model number, for example, if you need X for XS. First step, select the model number. Second step, format and repair. Firstly, backup underlying data. This is the most important. Please pay more attention to it. If we have not backup underlying data, now we backup underlying data. Click Save when the underlying data finished backing up. For example, if you want to exchange hard disk from iPhone X to XS. Let's choose Model X first. Second step, we choose Format Repair. It will download importing data automatically. Then write backup underlying data. Write the underlying data according to your needs. This is the whole operation process of using the hard disk of iPhone X on XS. This formatting repair is for using the hard disk of one model on another model. Write standard bottom layer means write the backup underlying data. The bottom layer of this standard has been successfully written. Now let me explain to you the precautions of these buttons. First of all, after formatting and repairing, you must flash the mobile phone first before booting. Otherwise, the mobile phone can't be turned on. Second, the right menu, you can checkbox and write alone according to your needs. Third, query disk information means query disk underlying data. Fourth, backing up bottom data means backing up the hard disk underlying data. Fifth, write-checked data means check above write menu information. Total 3 options, all first 4 and first 9 items. You can select it according to your needs. Sixth, query regional factory code. It must be a flashed hard drive. Query the regional factory information such as floodlight, true tone, and distance sensor, etc. Formatted hard disk cannot query information. Unbinding Wi-Fi alone doesn't require flashing. But if the hard disk has been formatted, it must be flashed. Is everyone clear about all the operations now? Finally, let's introduce to you the menu at the top of I2C platform. Read iOS information. It is similar as iTunes, just connected with the mobile phone normally. This is Isaac's S. Wait I.C. box. Battery for BR13. Thank you for watching.